Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we're going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the current support and resistance levels for today's price action. Before that, let us look at the economical events plan for today. Today is Thursday, Jan 19th. At 6 AM we have medium impacting news for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 4 PM we have medium impacting news for euro related currency pairs. Then at 7 PM we have medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. We don't have any high impacting news for any of the major currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, after taking support around the support level of 1616, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bullish trend, breaking the previous resistance levels also. And when we look at the current level where the price action has started to retrace, this is also acting as a strong resistance level or the support level in the past price action. So usually when we face a strong resistance level, we can notice a retracement or a consolidation to start to gather enough momentum then to break this resistance level. So we are noticing a similar price action over here also. It could be a consolidation or a trend reversal based on how low it is trending on the bearish side. Let us draw a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action. So I have drawn a trend line or a support line where we have noticed a price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side. So for the current price action, if the price action retraces on the bearish side also, we can expect it to take support on the past price action trend line or the support line. Only when the price action breaks this support line, it will be a bearish side trend reversal because it will be breaking the past price action bullish trend line. And when we look at the Fibonacci levels also, it is currently taking support around the support level of 61.80%, which is around 1900. So we can expect the price action to take support and to continue if the bullish trend is strong. Or wait for the price action to break this Fibonacci support level of 61.80% in order to enter into the bearish side trade in daily time frame. So for now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this trend line or the support line. And once the price action breaks this bullish trend line, we can expect it to take support at the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement tool. And once the price action breaks this support level of 1846, next level of support is going to be around 1791 and 1726. And if the price action bounces back from this support level of 1900, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1977, which is a 78.60% of the Fibonacci retracement level. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement after testing the trend line or the support line from the daily time frame on the bullish side. So the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this daily time frame bullish trend line. Currently it has tested the resistance level of 1930 twice and we are noticing it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break the previous low, which is going to be around 1896, in order to enter into the bearish side trade, and the target will be the trend line from the daily time frame, and only when the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend in 4 hours time frame also. Otherwise, we can expect the price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, based on which you can enter into the bullish side trade in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action from the hourly time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line And previously the price action was respecting this trend line, and we have noticed a price action to continue its bullish trend, and here we have noticed a price action to break this trend line, and also it has retested this trend line which is acting as a resistance line for the current price action, and it is a confirmation on the break of the previous bullish trend. So I would recommend you to draw a resistance line for the hourly time frame and wait for the price action to give a breakout from this support level of 1900 or the resistance line from the hourly time frame in order to enter into the directional trade in hourly time frame. And the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is under a consolidation within this resistance line and the support level from the daily time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1896 and the resistance level of 1921. Once the price action breaks this support level of 1896, next level of support is going to be around 1885, 1874, 1865 and 1847. And if the price action bounces back from the support level of 1896, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1921. And once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1921, next level of resistance is going to be around 1936, 1948, 1960 and 1977. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and we know from the hourly time frame that the current price action is consolidating within this hourly time frame resistance line and the daily time frame support level of 1900. For the 30 minutes time frame also I am drawing a trend line or a support line in order to understand the current trend of the price action for 30 minutes time frame. So currently we have noticed the price action to take support on this 30 minutes time frame trend line or the support line, and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, wait for the price action to break this support line from the 30 minutes time frame in order to enter into the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to break the previous high which is going to be around 1910 in order to enter into the bullish side trade. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1905 and support level of 1900. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1900, next level of support is going to be around 1893, 1884. Then we have the daily time frame trend line or the support line, where we can expect it to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And if the price action breaks this trend line, it will be the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend from the higher time frame also. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1905, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1909, 1913, 1918 and 1925. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, we are noticing the price action to be trading within the resistance level of 1905 and support level of 1900. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1905, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1909, 1913, 1915, 1917, 1920 and 1925. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1900, next level of support is going to be around 1893. And the current trend of the price action is under a consolidation within this support line from the 30 minutes time frame and the resistance line from the hourly time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.